BKs, those was the days. High-tech boots, spray painted with your names. T-shirts, airbrush, they read the same. Thick herringbone chain, one go with your initial. Harris photos, group shots, can you remember? Bury him, told his bitch, go to the prom and die. Didn't lie, shot himself in the head with the 4-5 when she disobeyed. Had North Clayton craze, just to reiterate, dog, those was the days. For the invasions of haters, man, crews from all around used to get down in true flavors. Bumping Kilo, rocking Damage, Cross Color and Paco. While Playboy stepped in talent shows, prom night, Tux and Kango was so cool. Fucking new model car,